drivers, they will tell you. So how to fix this issue. So here you can see it. When you just try to load your Windows 7 and you see this error blue screen, that's blue screen. So how you can also fix that. So for fixing that, first thing, you can also just try to run your system in recovery mode. So for doing that, you just need to fail 3 times, running out your Windows, and just after it will automatically run it into recovery mode. So also another thing you can try also to just go here. Here you just need to found drivers. You just need to open control panel. Here you just need to choose system, and here you will see device manager. So you just need to open it, and here you just need to check drivers for your system. Maybe you just missed some driver, you just need to install it or update. So just check this thing. So hope this will help you. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, goodbye.